Hi guys, my name is Temi, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys some of the usefulness of face sheet masks, and also I'll be showing you guys how to apply the face sheet masks on your face. So on today's episode of I don't know Temi the coach. Okay, let's just get right into the video. Here are some of the usefulness of face sheet masks. Aside from the fact that this is simple to use, like super easy to use, this is very affordable. There are a lot more that people don't know about face sheet masks that I feel like this is the reason they're not giving face sheet masks enough flour like it deserves. Do you know that face sheet masks, it's like the combination of literally all of our face care routine, like the serum, the moisturizer, the face cream, the this and that, like everything together in one pack. That is how I can describe face sheet mask for somebody that does not know anything about face sheet mask, and I just want to like describe it for you for the first time. That is how I can describe face sheet mask for you. Another good thing about face sheet masks is we have them in different, like this is just for to show you guys. You can go on my business page on Instagram at Wells Collection. You're going to see a lot more. Like there are hundreds and 200s and thousands of types of face sheet masks, and they are super affordable. And this thing, they're not even everyday use skincare routine. Like it's something you should just use 2 to 3 times in a week. Do you get? Like 2 to 3 times in a week is not so bad for something that is sold for 1,000 naira each. Another thing is, you don't have to be a skincare girly or boy to be able to use face sheet masks. It's just simple to use and affordable, and has a lot of benefits. And most face sheet masks does not select skin. Like it's not that you are looking for your skin type, all of that. You just have to know that if you are allergic to something like cucumber, you should not buy the one of cucumber. Do you get stuff like that? That's the only thing you should know. There are medicated ones, there are medicated face sheet masks, but like there are a lot of general ones. These ones I am holding are general ones, and they are for all skin types. Yeah, these ones I'm holding are for all skin types. Okay, some of the usefulness of face sheet masks. Face sheet masks are very easy to use, and they are super affordable, like I mentioned earlier. So let me read out some of the usefulness for you guys. Benefits of face sheet masks: they are super convenient and easy to use. I said that. It helps to hydrate and moisturize your skin, giving it a healthy, radiant glow. Do you get? Like this thing literally has the face serum that you have to buy separately, face cream that you have to buy separately, the moisturizer that you have to buy separately, like all of it in one pack. That is a simple way to describe a facial mask. It's like a lot of goodness inside one place, and they now make it very affordable. Imagine getting all of those for like 1,000 naira, like all those things I mentioned for like 1,000 naira, and there are tons of types of it. Like there are hundreds of types of facial masks. There are also medicated ones that are not 1,000 naira, but like if you want like the general ones, you can easily check my business page on Instagram that goes by Girls Collection. Yeah, on Instagram, you're going to see a lot more of face sheet masks, like different types of it. Sheet masks can also target specific skin concern like acne, dryness, or dullness, thanks to their different ingredients and formulation. Did I mention that before? They have different ingredients, things that on a normal note you're supposed to like get them separately. Everything combined inside one. Now let's read some of the usefulness that is written on them. Okay. The firm cloth is soft and lightweight, because the texture of the sheet mask itself feels like a very light cloth. Do you get? It is breathable. The essence of the texture of fresh water, a paste of water, sense of moisture, to give the skin to replenish moisture, moisturizing and rejuvenating skin, to help improve the phenomenon of dry and hydrated skin roughness, so that the skin is full of water, tender and transparent, glowing with fascinating youthful beauty of the skin radiance. Let's see another one. It is moisturizing, nourishing, give tender skin, and also hydrating. All of that in one pack. Like all those goodness that you have to like buy like 3 to 4 skincare whatever to be able to get. With one of face sheet masks, you get all of those package. Let's just call it all in one. Okay, now so we're going to be choosing one. I'm going to be choosing one. Which one? Let me close my eye and just I'm going to choose whichever one I pick. Yes, I'm going to choose whichever one I pick. Let's go for this. Can I guess if I guess right? What do you guys owe me? Avocado. Oh, is it cucumber? So we're going to be using this. Notes. Make sure you have your face wash, because some people will be like, am I supposed to use my face sheet mask before bathing or that? No, you're supposed to like already exfoliate your face. I'm not saying it is compulsory you do that, but you're supposed to be like already wash your face before using face sheet mask. Do you get? Let's say you already had your bath, do all of those, just like the process of you using your facial face skincare routine. So we're just going to be replacing it with just one goodness. Let's get into it. See, this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, I'm going to show you guys the liquid that's in it. Serum is a thick liquid, so you know how serum be now, the thick consistency here. That is how it is, and then you unfold it just like that, and see, you're going to see the description. See the eyes, the nose and the mouth, everything is there. So I'm going to shut up for a minute to do this here. Can you see? So you're just going to like arrange it properly on your face. That's all. You can see just by looking at it in the video. I'm sure you can tell how wet this thing is. See, and you have the remaining serum in it. You can just, ouch, can you see that? Can you see how thick it is? You can just use it, apply on your neck. Another thing, when you have your face sheet mask on, You can just want to like gently massage your face like this, like just gently massage your face. Like, if you don't want to use your hand, you can make use of the jade roller. I have one with me. So I'm just going to like show you guys how to like use the jade roller for it. If you don't want to like use your hand, that is why there is a jade roller, of course. So you just gently massaging like this. It's not only your skin that needs massage, you get. You just gently massage. And there's this other part of the jade roller, yeah, for your like your chin area, your under eye. See, that is why it is shaped that way. Just do it gently, like, till you get. So we're going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Just using this to like massage my face. Just massage it, like, you get. I'm not saying this is super important in your routine. You can easily use your hand to like massage through your face, jiggle. Just showing you a better option that you can find on our business page on Instagram at Wells Collection. Thank you. There are other skincare essentials that you're going to find here, like your lip masks and under eye masks, a lot more. We're going to do a video about that one later. Today is for face sheet masks. Okay, like this is my face after the face sheet mask. Can you see? See the glowing? See the glowing? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to visit our Instagram page to shop for your face sheet masks and other skincare essential, also perfumes. Yeah, we do all of those. Our Instagram, business Instagram is WELLSCOLLETION 1, Wells Collection 1.